Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as you can see that USD CAD is in downtrend right now. The chart looks simple. This is a trending market, okay, and this kind of market are also called as sell on rise market, okay, sell on rise, because you can clearly see on the chart that market is going down, and or in simple words, sellers are dominating the market. Okay, sellers are dominating means the best position to short the market is always at the resistance. Okay, but before I proceed, I would like to tell that in the chart of USD CAD we see two kind of external influences. Firstly, the influence from the US dollar, because when in general we see that whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also goes up. Dollar goes down, we see USD CAD also going down. And on the other hand, the second factor is the price of crude oil. We see when crude oil goes up, we see USD CAD going down, and when the price of crude oil goes down, we see USD CAD going up. Why? Because see, crude oil is a big part of Canadian economy. Canada exports crude oil, so whenever the price of crude oil goes up, crude oil is bullish, so Canadian dollar also gets bullish. As a result, we see selling on the USD CAD. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I do not want to complicate. If you want to know more about the correlation, relation and all, then please watch my previous videos where I have clearly mentioned how the price of crude oil affects the Canadian dollar here. Okay, so now let's concentrate on the USD CAD chart here. So we can clearly see that this is a downtrend market, and this kind of market are called as sell on rise market. It's sell on rise market. But right now, if you can see here, okay, or if you just observe this particular portion of the chart here, you can see that right now market is trying to take support at this level. Okay, market is trying to take support at this level, and if I zoom in, then you can see that overall trend of the market may be towards the downside, but right now market is trying to take support. This looks like a sideways market here, and if we go to the weekly chart here, then we can see that market has formed a doji. Okay, market has formed a doji, and doji signifies indecision in the market. It signifies that their market is still struggling. There is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. So therefore, doji is quite dangerous. So new traders, beginners, please be very careful. Do not take any buy or sell position in this market right now, because doji signifies indecision in the market. Then where should we trade? Okay, so the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of USD CAD is, the first trading opportunity is this trend line. You can see that market is respecting this trend line, or in simple words, this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. You can clearly see that whenever the market was going up, it was facing resistance from above. As a result, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. So on Monday, if market goes up, just observe the price and see how the price is reacting near the trend line. There is a good possibility of a market reversing from this trend line. So as per our expectation, if market reverses from the trend line, this will be our first trading opportunity. Yes, if market reverses from the trend line, if you see selling pressure at the trend line, then you will understand that this trend line is a valid resistance and you can short the market. Clear? That is our first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market breaks this temporary support, yes, this is not a good support. Okay, this is a kind of a temporary support right now, 1.2280. This level is a temporary support for the market. In case there is a fall on US dollar or in steep rise in the price of crude oil, then definitely you will see market breaking this level. If market breaks the level and starts falling, then you can short the market below this level. Just make sure that okay, just make sure that you are also consulting, or if possible try to look at the chart of US dollar or crude oil once, because see, that will be an additional confirmation. Okay, that will be an additional confirmation that yes, you are in the right track. If you do not want an additional confirmation, that's totally up to you. But if you do not want additional confirmation, just make sure that you at least wait for 4 to 6 hours, because see, then you'll get the confirmation at least that yes, market is really bearish, there is a fresh selling on the market, and this is our new resistance. Yes, support becomes resistance in the market, and resistances become support in the market. So if market starts trading below this level for 4 to 6 hours, this will be the new resistance. Okay, so short the market at the trend line, first trading opportunity, and short the market below 1.2280. This is our second trading opportunity. This is it. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.